Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean. I want to say thank you to everybody, girlfriends who came through for me on those last two videos and the words of encouragement and asking the questions and all the stuff. I appreciate you ladies so much because guess what? When I saw your comments, it was during a time when I was just really feeling not my greatest. And just seeing your comments, it just did my heart so good. It lifted my spirits. And I also implore you to engage on anybody else that you're watching. Like, you never know what content creators are going through, and then they see your comments and their spirits are immediately lifted. And I will be rolling out more content on fragrances. The next topic is going to be It Girl fragrances that are most complimented, my top 5. And also thank you to Mr. Cologne for engaging with my channel and also being a subscriber. Welcome to our community. Today I'm doing a full face of Valentino. I have quite a bit of Valentino products, but others that I don't have, I'll be improvising, but I'll let you all know that too. So without further ado, let's get glam. It's the holidays, you guys, and doing makeup tutorials and stuff like this, revisiting my makeup, really does encourage me to keep going, and it gets me excited about my makeup again. Also, I'm rolling out a mini series. It's going to be 10 days of stunning lip combos, and you all know I like to do like mini series here and there on this channel, so things don't get too monotonous and boring. Expect those on my shorts. So those will be really bite-sized videos that you can see some combos that work together well. And also I have my 10 lip colors already to the side here that I'm going to start doing that video, so you can expect that from me. So hopefully you all would like, subscribe, and share, and let's get glam. I'm going to do this video, you all, with just voiceover, just because, as you all know, when you start talking while you're putting on your makeup, it takes a long time. And I just want to get this done and us talk in the comments down below. I'm doing this as a premiere, so I will be able to talk live with you all down below the video. So I haven't done that in a long time too. So I just want to really connect with my community and, you know, be there to answer your questions in real time. All right, let's roll this out. All right, starting off with Very Valentino. This is a semi-matte formula, very silicone rich, so you want to use a silicone-based primer. There's 40 shades to choose from. My shade is DN2. This goes on smoothly. It's supposed to last 24 hours, but I will not be testing that out because I do not sleep with my makeup on. But as you can see, it's flawless and it's close to my complexion shade. Now prepping my brows. I'm going to sculpt them out using the twin liner from Valentino. This is 16-hour wear. There's 4 shades to choose from. You all have seen me use this quite a bit to tight line when I'm putting on my lashes, but I love sometimes to use this just to sculpt out my brows. I don't have a brow product from Valentino, but definitely you can do it this way and just imitate brow hairs by just going with short strokes. Black and Rosso is one that I have, and Black and Nero is the other one. And this is high impact. The color is there. And again, it lasts for 16 hours. Okay, to clean up my brows, we're going in with the Very Valentino concealer. There are 20 shades to choose from. This also is one that is enriched with caffeine, vitamin E, as well as glycerin. Glycerin is really great for bringing in a lot of hydration. This is to give you a natural luminous finish, ladies. And this is a full coverage concealer with 24-hour wear and hydration. What I also love about this concealer is that the doe foot applicator is small enough for you to do your brows seamlessly. And remember, brows are sisters, they're not twins. Do not beat yourself up if you don't get them to look exactly the same. Just try to get them to look as close to each other as possible. But take your time with your makeup because you deserve this moment. All right, to set this concealer in place, I'm just lightly dusting on the Huda Beauty Ganache powder. I don't have a setting powder from Valentino. I do not bake, if you're new to my channel, just because baking causes premature wrinkling. Remember, what we do now determines what our skin looks like later. And we want to be careful how we're putting on makeup. And as a content creator, wearing makeup most of the time, I cannot afford to be drying out underneath my eye area. every time I put on makeup. For the transition area right here, I'm using the Candor A Experience brown shade from Chanel, just because I don't have a brown shade from Valentino. However, the blush is also a cream to powder blush and eyeshadow. Number 5 is what I'll be using next, which I'm holding in my hand right now. A little bit about the eye to cheek blush and eyeshadow. This is a cream to powder. There's 12 shades and this is 12-hour wear. What I really love about this is that it stays in place all day. We always want to buy products that has longevity, durability. It does what it says, and that's what you can expect from this. I'm using a tightly packed brush to give me the most intense impact on my lid, and this is a buildable formula. So, you know, if you want to get more from it, use your fingers, or you can lightly apply a thin layer and then go up and build it to where you'd like it to be. But there's something to be said about red on the lids and under the eye, you all. It just gives this alluring, mysterious look to the eye. And that's why I've really been gravitating to red on my eyes of late. For mascara, I'm just using the Tom Ford 01 mascara. I don't have a mascara from Valentino, and you will find the other products that I used as fill-ins below this video under the category other products used. For finishing powder, we're going in with Deep 5 from Valentino. There's 5 shades to choose from, light to medium to deep. This is one that is a buildable finishing powder, and it is 12-hour wear. And it says that it's soft and luminous and really there to give you the complexion of more of a natural radiant finish. And this is soft matte. So I don't know if you like a really matte formula, this will not be that. But if you're into the semi-matte, then that's what you're going to get with this powder. Okay, going back into the eye to cheek blush. As you can see, this is super pigmented. I like to take it up somewhat higher on the face just to give me a lifted look. What I can say about this, ladies, it reminds me a lot of the Chanel formula. This does not exacerbate texture. Also, if you want to make sure that you're getting rid of texture when you're putting on your blush, exfoliate first with a physical exfoliator to get rid of extra texture, and then go into putting on your makeup after you put on your moisturizer and all that stuff, so you won't see texture. Using the liquid liner in my waterline, it has a long nose so it doesn't interfere with the red that I put underneath my waterline, and this dries down fairly quickly. Now just applying falsies, again taking my time here. The clutch came with a number of lipsticks. If anybody wants to know, that Valentino clutch was a steal of a buy with I think 6 lipsticks on the inside. And those lipsticks, I am in love with every color. Now, as you can see, the nose on this is super long, so it makes it easy to manipulate the top of my lash band to conceal any flesh, also underneath as well. Then I'm going in with the Rosso color to line my lips before going into the lipstick. Also, ladies, if you'd like, you can definitely just use the gel liner all over the lips and then top it off with lip gloss. But I am going to use a lipstick on top. It is the Rosso Valentino 15A. I'm going to use this on top of the liner as well as in the middle of my lips. This is a semi-matte formula, super duper comfortable, enriched with vitamin E. All right, ladies, so this is what I got. It's not, today is an overcast day. I turned the light off. I'm in front of a window, but it's kind of cloudy outside. So this is what it looks like. It's very ethereal, but I will turn the light on so you can see the difference. All right, ladies, so here's the finished look. I wanted to come by the window for natural light, but it's 4:34, so the sun is kind of overcast outside, so it's not giving me the natural light vibe like that last video that I did with Chanel. So I'm having to use the kitchen light and my little portable light that I have on top of my phone. But I do love the look of this makeup. It's super duper soft yet glamorous. And if you're going after that Valentino liquid liner in black, just use a very light hand to draw the hairs one by one. It takes a little bit longer than using an eyeshadow, but it still looks very beautiful. And I just cleaned it up with the concealer. Now, what I would love to see, and I probably go to Neiman Marcus to check out, you all let me know if you know about this, but a yellow-like concealer from Valentino. You all know how I love the Fenty 345, which is more of a yellow mustard, honey mustard kind of color. I'd like to see that from Valentino, but I do love how this look came out. It's super duper soft. It's still glam. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you all in my next one. Please be kind to yourself and to one another. And I'm going to work on the other videos for you all right now. Ciao.